How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, there are two ways when it comes to downloading Snapchat photos to your phone gallery. The first one is manual, and the second one is automatic. So, we will go through both of them, starting with the first one. Go ahead and open up Snapchat, and say, for example, you wanted to download this photo right here. What you need to do is you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner, and from the given menu list click on export or send snaps, and you will be redirected to this page right here, from which you will see the section that says share to, and it has some icon. So scroll those icons to the right till you see the save or download icon. Click on it, and as you can see, the snap is being exported, and the snap has been saved to your gallery. As you can see, this is the first manual option. Now you can do this automatically, and meaning that this process will happen without you interfering or doing it yourself. And what you need to do is you need to click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left, and then click on the settings gear icon at the top right. And once you're here, you need to scroll down to the privacy control section, and from there click on memories, and then from the save destination section click on save button. And here it tells you when you tap the save button while editing a snap, snaps will be saved to, and you can either choose memories and camera roll or choose camera roll only. Choose whatever option suits you the best, and by doing this, snaps will be saved automatically to your camera roll. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can save uh, and download and export Snapchat photos and pictures to your phone gallery. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.